Biko, please don't kill me, please. Biko. Hey, Shimo.
Oledo, what is it? Are you okay?
Oledo, what is it? I had a bad dream.
Again?
Oledo, since the past 2 AK market days, you have been having bad dreams.
Are you sure you're okay, Oledo? Well, we are going to the stream. We want to go and get water from the stream. Yes. When Papa comes back, tell him that we went to get water from the stream.
Okay, but you have to be careful, please.
We'll be careful. Are you sure you're okay? We'll be back. Let's go. We are coming. Okay. Let's go.
Please be careful. What sort of dream is this? May the ghosts of our land help us. Obimo. Stomach. Ada, please, I want to go and answer the call of nature. Please, let me hold my pot.
Oh, okay, be fast there. I'll wait for you here. Be fast though. Don't waste time.
Ujunwa, set me free.
Who is there? Who is calling me?
Set me.
Who is there? Who is calling me? Who is there? Who is calling me? Ada! Why you are calling me? No. I heard a voice calling me to set him or her free.
A voice?
Yes, Ada. The moment I entered, I heard a voice calling me to set him free. I looked around and I did not see anyone. I bent down the moment I was done. And I heard the voice again calling me, Ujunwa, set me free. No.
You heard a voice telling you to set him or her free. Are you sure you're not imagining things?
I'm very, very sure. I heard the voice calling me loudly. Ujunwa, set me free. Set me free.
Okay.
And I'm scared.
Carry your pot. Carry your pot. Let's go and fetch water.
I'm scared.
Let's go.
You're not the one calling me.
Let's go.
Greetings, Papa.
Greetings, Oledo.
Welcome again now.
Thank you, Oledo. Where are your sisters?
They went to the stream to fetch water.
We are just coming back from the palace. Our king has joined his ancestors.
Chimo!
And you know, he didn't have a son. So Papa is next in line to become the next king.
Eh? Hey, Papa. I had another bad dream.
Oledo, stop. Please stop. I do not want to hear or listen to any bad dream of yours. You were just given information that your father is next in line to become king. And all you can think of is to tell me you had a bad dream. Stop it. In short, go and get me something to eat.
Okay, Papa.
Ikenna, my boy.
Yes, Papa.
Soon, you'll become the next prince of this kingdom.
I can't wait, Papa.
Something. What is that? I don't know. Should I bring it out? Hey! What was that?
I don't know.
What is that? Uju, you're opening it though. Opening it. Uju!
Greetings, Mama.
Greetings, my children. How are you?
We are fine, Mama.
Where are you going to?
Mama, I'm going to the stream to fetch water.
Are you?
Yes, Mama. I have to accompany her so that all these village boys will not disturb her like the last time.
Which village boys?
Mama, I'm going to the forest to get firewood.
Yes, Mama.
But, my children.
Yes, Mama.
Please, be careful. Stay safe. May the gods of our land protect you people.
He say...
Please don't kill me, please, 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 oh, please, ah, please, please, please.
Help you anyway.
She struck her left foot. This is a bad omen. This is a bad omen. Something is wrong. Something is definitely wrong.
Is that not Uju? Ichiokeke's daughter.
She's the one. But why is she lying down there by this time of the day? Hold on.
Come check.
Hey! She's dead. Ekema, let's go.
She's not breathing.
Ekema, we have to go.
Uju?
Let's go and inform Ichiokeke and Mama. Let's go.
Is that not Adaobi?
She's the one. Hold on. Hey! She's also dead.
Chimo, what is happening in our land?
Ekema, there's no time for all this. We have to inform Ichiokeke and Mama at once.
Dike, you're right. Go to Ichiokeke's compound. Inform him about his daughter's death while I go and inform Mama about what is happening.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Mama! What? Mama, my eyes have seen my ears. I have forgotten, Mama. Speak, my daughter. What is it? Mama, on our way to the stream, we saw Uju's dead body. While running back to inform you, we also saw Adobe's body. Ichiokeke's daughters? Yes, Ichiokeke. She is back.
Mama, who is back?
What of your brother?
He went to inform Ichiokeke about his daughter's death. Mama, what is it? Mama, what is it? Mama, what is it?
It's okay.
Who's after you?
They can speak, what is it? It's okay. On our way to the stream, I and my sister, we saw the dead bodies of your daughters.
My daughters?
Yes, Ichi.
My sisters?
Ichi, you have to follow me. Let's see the dead body.
Mama, why all this?
Yes, Mama. Why all this?
My children, whatever or whoever that took the life of Ichiokeke's daughters are still out there and fortifying you people against dangers or evil ones.
Mama, I remembered the day I rushed back to inform you about Adobe and Uju's death. You said she is back. Mama, who is back?
Ekemma, rush to the kitchen. Go and prepare dinner. The sun will soon set.
Mama.
Ekemma, I said rush to the kitchen. Do you want me to descend on you? No. And you, Informer, go and help her.
Oh, okay, Mama.
Dike.
Mama.
You are the only male offspring of my late husband, Ikemba.
Yes, Mama, I know.
In case anything happens to me, take your sisters and run out of this village and never come back.
But Mama, I don't understand.
I said, in case anything happens to me, take your sisters and go out of the village and never to come back.
Go and get me water to drink.
Okay, Mama.
Chiokeke, the war has just begun.
Two of my daughters dead on the same day. Dead without a trace of what killed them. Could it be she? No. She cannot be back. It cannot be. Do I consult as a wine? Gods of our land, help me.
Greetings, Papa.
Greetings. How is Oledo?
But she has been crying since morning. And she hasn't eaten anything.
The deaths of our sisters have broken her heart.
Papa, I think we need to dig and make some findings concerning this death. My two sisters can't just die like fowls on the same day. I think something is wrong somewhere.
My son, the gods give and the gods take. Who are we to question the gods?
But Papa, we can go and visit Ezewine or any other strong Dibia and consult the gods and know what they have to say.
Ikenna, my boy, it seems you failed to listen to what I just said. The gods give and the gods have taken. Going to see Ezewine or consulting any other Dibia is simply questioning the gods, and that will not bring your sisters back.
But Papa...
Ikenna, please. I am not in the mood for this. I am not in the right frame of mind for any argument now. Give me some space. I want to collect my thoughts. I want to be alone. Please.
Ako, Ije, the sudden death of Ichie Okeke's daughters looks so suspicious.
My father even said that it was the ghost that struck them dead.
Rapiaka. Ever since the king joined his ancestors, we all know that Ichie Okeke is the next in line to be the king. So, I don't think it's the gods at work, but his enemies.
My dear, do you know what surprises me the most? Ever since he lost his two daughters, he haven't gone to seek for the face of the gods. Yet he just kept quiet over things like this. Do you know that whenever I passes through his hall, I do see him talking to himself. Amaram no Pugara.
Diego,
Losing two daughters at the same time is the worst thing I've ever seen in my lifetime.
Ako, Noma, Uroyo Gabu, Umamba Wubi.
Nemo.
I pray the gods give him the strength to bear the losses. Let us go to the stream to fetch water. My mother will be waiting for me at home.
Okay.
Ekemma. Ekemma.
Yes, Mama.
Greetings, Mama.
Greetings, my daughter. Go to the bush, rush, and bring me uziza leaf.
Okay, Mama.
Mama! Mama, what is it? Talk to us! Mama! Mama, please speak to us!
It's here. Okay.
Mama, ask Ichokeke what? Mama! Hey! Mama is not breathing! Hey! Mama!
Mama is dead.
Mama, wake up, please! Please don't do this to us, Mama!
Mama is dead.
Mama! Who are you? Who are you? Who are you?
Please don't kill me. Please, I'm begging you, don't kill me, please. Please don't kill me. Please. Please. I'm begging you, please don't kill me, please.
Is this not Ekemma? What is she doing here? Ekemma. Ekemma. Chimo! Ekemma! Hey! Ekemma! Ezenwai? Ezenwai?
My mother is dead.
Chimo! And I'm here to tell you that I saw the dead body of your sister on the road.
Where? You must stay here. Come and show me. Come
Ikenna, what is it?
Papa.
What is it?
Papa. On my way coming back, I saw a Kema's dead body. Ezenwai is not lying on the road.
Papa!
Olede, again?
Ezenwai is dead.
What did you just say?
Ezenwai is dead.
How? When?
What happened?
It was said that she suddenly collapsed. Before her children could come out, she's already dead.
Hey! Oledo, do you know I saw that dead body while coming back?
Chimo! Hey!
She's back.
Who is back?
Ifeoma, my sister. Now that Mama and Ekema have been buried, I have something to tell you.
What is it?
Can you remember the day Mama fortified us?
Yes, she told I and Ikema to go make dinner.
Exactly. The moment you two left, Mama told me something. She said, whenever she's dead, I should take you and Ekema out of this village and never return.
Chimo! That means Mama knows something about this recent death. That reminds me. Ekema said the day both of you saw the dead body of Okeke's daughters. When she ran home to inform Mama, Mama said she's back. When she asked Mama who, Mama was silent. She did not say anything.
She's back?
Yes.
And also, remember the day Mama was dying? She told us to ask Ichi Okeke.
Yes, I remember. She said something like that.
Mama knows something about all this death that is going on in this village. She just didn't say anything to us. But don't worry. I'll have to go and see Ichi Okeke.
DK, I think we should obey the words of Mama, which says we should leave this village.
I know. But going to see Ichi Okeke was also part of Mama's words. But then again, even if we leave this village, whatever or whoever that is involved in all these killings will haunt us. So it's better we know our enemy first, before we know the next line of action to take.
May the gods of our land help us.
You say... Don't worry. I will go and see Ichi Okeke.
Papa, where did you get all this from?
Neil. sit. Kneel. You can sit. It is done. Whoever or whatever is responsible for what is going on cannot and will not cross this compound. It will not touch any of us. We are safe.
But Papa, where did you get all this from?
I journeyed to Ogidi to see the great Ayaka, the greatest Dibia in all of Idemili. We are protected.
But Papa, the day Ezenwine died, you said something.
What did I say?
Papa, you said she's back. Please back.
My daughter, what I was trying to say was that what was responsible for the death of your sisters must have... Forget about what I said. Go and get food for your brother and I. Oh?
Okay, Papa.
What is wrong with you? Huh? Be a man. What is wrong with you? You are the son of a warrior, the son of Okeke, a descendant of Okenwa. You are from a lineage of great warriors. Why are you afraid? Stand like a man.
Okay, Papa.
Okay, I'm okay. I'm okay. Welcome, Dike. How is your sister, Ijoma?
She's fine, it's okay. I came here seeking answers to what my mother said before she died.
What did she tell you?
She once said she is back. And she told me that if anything should happen to her, I should take my sisters and leave this village. And then she told me on the day she died that I should ask you that you know the cause of all the deaths in this village.
Ezenwanye. Dike.
Iche.
There is one thing you should understand as a man. Do not put faith in everything that comes out of the lips of a woman. I know she is your mother, or she was your mother, but I'm telling you now as a man. I do not know what she is talking about. And you know, my two daughters were the first to die. You brought me that news, and if I knew what happened to them or what your mother was talking about, don't you think I would have done something about it? I will do something about it. And as for she telling you to come and meet me, maybe, I think she said you should come and meet me to help find a solution to the problem, considering that I will soon be the next king of our kingdom. So, I think that is why she sent you to come to me. Huh? So, I don't know what she is talking about.
Okay, Nai. But she said she's back. And I can't...
DK. I have told you not to dwell in the words of a woman. And you don't want to listen. See, there's something that is very important. Your mother told you said now that she told you that if anything happens to her, that you should take your sisters and leave this village, okay?
Yes, Iche.
What I'm now telling you is for you to take good care of your sister. That is your primary concern now. That is your responsibility now. And it is also important that before the next planting season, that you get married. Considering that you're an only son, I would not want your father's lineage to just end like that. Find a very good maiden. We have many of them. If you want, I can help you to pick one. Or even two. Yes, so go home and take care of your sister.
Okay, Nai. I'll be on my way now.
Who are you? Who are you?
Greetings, the offspring of Okeke.
Greetings. Who are you?
What is eating the vegetable is inside the vegetable.
I don't understand.
The answers you seek lies with your father, Ichi Okeke.
My father, Ichi Okeke.
Without the past, there'll be no present. Oledo, daughter of Okeke. If you want to know the cause of the death or the recent happenings, ask your father, Okeke, to tell you a story of a great female warrior called Wanyoko.
Oledo.
Ikenna.
I'm off to see my friend, Izuna. Take care of the house. Papa went for the elders' meeting. And in case he comes back before me, tell him I'll be back soon.
Okay. What type of dream is this? She said if I want to know the cause of the recent deaths, I should ask Papa to tell me about the ancient warrior called Wanyoku.
Greetings, Ezewanya Agbala.
Greetings, Dike, the son of Ikemba. You came all the way from Umudim to seek the ancient answers of the old.
Yes, wise one. I want to know the cause of the recent deaths in my family and also in my village.
The answers you seek lies with Ichie Okeke. Go home and ask him. For him alone can tell you how it all started. For without the past, there is no present.
But wise one,
Silence, you offspring of Ikemba. Leave now and never return. Go to Ichie Okeke. For him alone can give you the answers you seek. Leave now. Leave!
okay, wise one.
Who are you? Show yourself! Who are you? I'm not scared of you! Show yourself! I am the son of Okeke!
From where are you going with your clothes?
I don't want to die. First, it was Mazi Okeke's daughter. Then Mama, followed by our only sister Ikemma. And today, I saw the dead body of Ikenna, Mazi Okeke's only son.
Chimo! Wait. Ikenna is dead?
You are still asking questions. Now I know why Mama said, if anything happens to her, we should leave this village. I am going to Newi, our Ikunne. If you want to see me, you know where to find me.
Wait, Ifeoma, wait. Hey! But what is really happening? I think Mama and Ichie Okeke, they know something about these recent deaths in this village. Yes. I think so.
What is eating the vegetable is inside the vegetable.
I don't understand.
The answers you seek lies with your father, Ichie Okeke.
My father, Ichie Okeke.
Without the past, there'll be no present. Oledo, daughter of Okeke. If you want to know the cause of the death, all the recent happenings, ask your father, Okeke, to tell you a story of a great female warrior called Wanyoko.
Greetings, Papa.
Where is your brother?
He went to see a friend.
Okay. Get me water to drink.
Papa, I had another dream.
Oledo, what is wrong with you? From your childhood, you've always been having dreams from one market day to the other. This is not what I want to hear right now. Huh? I asked you to get me water to drink and you're telling me you had a dream. Besides, I have good news. The elders have just concluded that after the New Yam Festival, I will become the next king. Yes, so, princess, go and get me water to drink.
Okay, Papa. Papa, who is Wanyoko? Papa, who is Wanyoko? You really need to tell me the story of this ancient warrior called Wanyoko. Talking. You need to start talking. Who is Wanyoko? The great female warrior. Papa, talk to me.
It's okay. It's okay. If you do not give me the answers I seek now, I swear by the gods I will separate your head from your neck and drink with your skull.
DK, do you know who you are speaking to?
I want to know who or what is responsible for all the deaths in your family and my family. My sister's dead body was found just now along the road.
It's okay. It's okay.
What is it, young maiden?
I saw the dead body of Iken on my way to the market.
Stop! Where do you think you're going to? No one lives here alive if I don't get the answers I seek.
Papa, talk to us.
Hey!
Papa.
Ichokeke, speak now. Ichokeke, speak.
It's a long story.
We have all day and we are ready to hear it all.
Sit down. Many years ago, when I was still in my youth, I was a warrior, and it was during the time of inter-village wars and clashes. There was this female warrior called Wanyoko. She was a fierce warrior, and we were friends.
That's my friend.
Greetings, first of all.
Greetings. Greetings. So you have to kill. And bring victory to our kingdom. You get?
We fought side by side during many battles. But during the Battle of Miriago, I was injured. And then I became sick. I was not fit to go to battle on that fateful day.
Easy.
Go. Ndo.
Why, Oku? Go and save our people. Have no mercy on them. Kill them all. Kill them all.
Rest, my friend. Okay. I will make you and the whole village proud. I shall be back. I, Wanyoko, the daughter of Iroka, I shall be back.
Manyoko stepped out alone that day to stop the best warrior of Umuago called Agodo.
They wanted to kill Agudo. Agudo!
Nwanyoko defeated Agodo and became the king's favorite. Everybody loved her more than they loved me, and I became jealous.
Greetings, warrior of our land.
May the gods be with you. May the gods be with you.
Greetings, great warrior of our land.
May the gods bless you. May the gods be with you.
So, in my jealousy, I went to meet Ezewanye, your mother. and we plotted her downfall.
Wise one, I want Waioku out of my way. She now enjoys the glory and praise all alone. The king and the villagers favors her most. She now parades herself around the villages. I want Waioku dead.
Okay. Can you pay the price?
Wise one. Here are 2 bags of cowries. When the job is done, I will pay more.
What you ask is a difficult task, but I will do my best. Waioku cannot be killed by a mere mortal born by a woman, for her birth is mysterious.
Wise one, what do we do?
There is only one option.
What is it, wise one?
To turn her into a monster. By so doing, the king and the villagers will hate her, and then they will cast her away, or even cage her forever.
Perfect. I am ready, wise one.
Take this. Give it to her. Make sure she eats it alone. By noon, same day, she will be turned into a monster.
Okay, wise one.
Remember, you still have more prices to pay.
Don't worry, wise one. When the job is done, I will bring more cowries.
Okay. Go and fulfill your destiny. Go!
Waioku ate the fruit and turned into a monster.
Okay, we see ourselves. I'm observing you. No. Wait.
Is this not Wanyoko?
Yes.
A great warrior.
She's the one.
Yes, it's Wanyoko. This is abomination. Touch her now.
Hello.
You. Touch her. You touch her. Touch her. Touch her. Touch her. Touch her now.
You can't just touch her.
We are close to her. Don't touch her.
Wanyoko. Warrior of our land.
She's not even responding.
Warrior of our land. Wanyoko.
She became a terror to everyone, and the village lived in fear. The king gave his word that whoever could stop her will be given the highest title in the land. So, with the help of Ezewani, your mother, I caged her spirit. We buried her in the river.
Wanyoko.
It is time for you to come and rest. It is done.
Yes. Yes.
Dig. Handle it with care.
It is done, wise one.
Okay. Now you can go and enjoy your fame and glory. Let's go.
Wait, wise one. I want us to swear with Adan and Thunder that none of us will tell anyone about this.
Very well. We swear by Ajani and Thunder
that none of us will tell anyone about this.
If we do, let Ajani
and thunder strike us
dead. And my cowries,
here are your cowries.
After many years, my daughter Uju released her and she swore to hunt Ezewani and myself. She has sworn to end our lineage because of what we did to her. I know that I will soon die because I swore by Ajani and Ebuigwe not to reveal this to anyone. I'm sorry.
Papa, you will not die. You won't. Papa? 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 Papa?
He's dead.
It's a lie. Papa! Papa! Hey, Shimo! Papa!
I'm leaving because you can't reason with evil. Evil wants what it wants and won't stop until it has won, or you end it. To the end, this evil requires a greater evil. As far as my word exists, this evil can never end because a greater evil is yet to be born.